For centuries, humans have dreamt of creating intelligent machines. Stories of artificial beings, from Greek myths to Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, show our fascination with this idea. But it wasn't until the mid-20th century that this dream started to become a reality. What is intelligence, and can we replicate it in machines? This question has fueled the field of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the science of making computers think and act like humans. It is a journey that has taken us from basic calculators to self-driving cars. The story of AI is full of breakthroughs, setbacks, and exciting possibilities. It is a story that is still being written, and its impact on our future is immense. So, buckle up as we explore the fascinating history of AI, from its humble beginnings to its potential to reshape our world. The 1950s marked a turning point for AI. World War II had spurred rapid technological advancements, including the development of the first electronic computers. Scientists and mathematicians started to seriously consider if these machines could do more than just crunch numbers. In 1956, a group of researchers gathered at Dartmouth College for a workshop that would officially launch the field of AI. They believed that every aspect of human intelligence could be so precisely described that a machine could be made to simulate it. This workshop gave birth to the term artificial intelligence and set the stage for decades of research. Early AI programs focused on solving logic puzzles, playing games like checkers, and understanding natural language. These early successes fueled optimism about the future of AI. One of the pioneers of AI was British mathematician Alan Turing. In 1950, he proposed a test to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human. This test, now known as the Turing test, has become a benchmark in the field of AI. The early years of AI saw the development of the first AI programs. These programs, while basic by today's standards, demonstrated the potential of AI. For example, a program called Logic Theorist, created in 1956, could prove mathematical theorems. However, progress in AI was not without its challenges. Early AI systems struggled with tasks that humans found easy, such as recognizing faces or understanding the nuances of human language. This led to a period of reduced funding and interest in AI, known as the AI Winter. Section 4. The AI Winter Thaws. Despite the challenges, research in AI continued. In the 1980s, a new approach called expert systems gained popularity. Expert systems are computer programs designed to solve complex problems in a specific domain, such as medical diagnosis or financial analysis. These systems rely on a knowledge base of facts and rules provided by human experts. While expert systems proved successful in certain applications, they were limited by their inability to learn and adapt to new information. The late 1980s and 1990s saw the rise of machine learning, a more powerful approach to AI. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed with rules. This marked a significant shift in AI research, paving the way for the breakthroughs we are witnessing today. Section 5. The Deep Learning Revolution. The 21st century has witnessed an explosion in AI capabilities, largely driven by the rise of deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, to analyze vast amounts of data. This has led to significant advances in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and robotics. Today, AI powers a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized medicine. The development of powerful computing hardware, such as graphics processing units or GPUs, has also contributed to the deep learning revolution. GPUs are particularly well suited for the computationally intensive tasks involved in training deep learning models. Section 6. AI, Today and Tomorrow. AI is rapidly transforming our world, and its impact is only going to grow in the coming years. From healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of our lives. However, the rise of AI also raises important ethical and societal questions. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we need to consider their potential impact on jobs, privacy, and even the nature of what it means to be human. The future of AI is full of both promise and uncertainty. One thing is clear, AI is here to stay, and it is up to us to shape its development and ensure that it is used for the benefit of humanity. As we venture further into the age of intelligent machines, we must proceed with both caution and a sense of wonder, for the future of AI is intertwined with our own.